Wagwan everybody. Me have something to say about my friend Patois. Yeah man. Patois Riddim. Riddim. You know the Riddim, yeah? It's Patois Riddim. The rhythm of our Jamaican, African, Caribbean language. There is a Jamaican proverb, when cocoa ripe, it must bust. It's time Patois become official language, Jamaica brand official status. Jamaican Patois. You know, see it. When the Asian culture and the European culture buck up on the African culture of our Caribbean people, we stir it and we blend it to a flavor. We shake it and we move it to a beat. We wheel it and we turn it and we rock it and we tempo it and locks the rhythm sweet. Me say Patois Riddim sweet. A Fiwi language make it official. A Fiwi language Patois. A sweet potpourri of different languages, just like English. We derive and we proud of it. We derive and we proud of it. Patois Riddim. Patois Riddim. English derived from the Norman, Latin, French and Greek. Patois derived from the English, African, French and Portuguese. We derive to, what me say? We derive, we no corrupt. We derive a good language. Patois Riddim. The rhythm of our folk ancestors contain all with Jamaican ways. Yeah man, Patois Riddim. Just like English, Patois have syntax, plural, preposition, adverb. The boy them carelessly kin pupa lick and broke them foot on the concrete curb. Oh Lord, Patois Riddim. Me love my Patois. Same like English, Patois have subject and predicate. Miss that's a girl child, I wear short up miniskirt and I hurt up the poor boy head. Him a fret. Patois Riddim. If you don't acknowledge with Patois, it's like cutting off your nose to spite your face. Patois holds our history and our Jamaican ways. A Fiwi language Patois. Oh yeah. Miss Lou said to teach the children this thing that belong to them. A Fiwi language. Fiwi own language. We blend it and we stir it to a flavor. We shake it and we move it to a beat. We wheel it and we turn it and we rock it and we tempo it and locks the rhythm sweet. Me say Patois Riddim sweet. Make we talk some Patois now, you ready? Bankrupt mean basket from the African language tree. Brata mean extra. Dirty means dirty. Konomono and Bugoyaga mean you're not nice at all. Bonononos means you are very, very nice. And the Patois word for cry is cowball. Hey! Lord, Patois Riddim. Oh yeah. A prickle stick yo. That is the English, but Patois is macajoke yo. English bad worse. Patois bad worse. And when it was a dan, wassa is wassara. Hey, why my child? Aspirate your H's, please. Vowels, hey, he, hi, ho. Consonants, H, hell, hem, hen. And don't say these. Say them. Oh. Patois even have double adjective. Weak mean fenke, fenke, pian, pian. And when English say we are strong and mighty, Patois say we little but we talawa. Patois Riddim. May the powers that be make it official that Patois language afiwi. May the powers that be make it official that Patois language afiwi. Afiwi language. Ay ay ay. Miss Tania Lou at chat boat.